Hey guys, Sarah the wife here. This is a retake on a video that we tried to upload earlier this week, but the audio got messed up. We couldn't figure out why, so we redid it. This video is about our brand new chain Harrow, Justin assembling it and trying it out for the first time in our backyard.
So, bring it closer. What we got going on here is telescoping couplers, hitch coupler, telescoping 3-point arms. I had to open this one so I could get everything slid in. Now you gotta push them. Usually you just hop on the tractor, drive backwards, bingo bango, but I think this is so light, I don't think it's gonna work that way. So I'll just manhandle it and try to lock them in. Just like that. Now, it did say tighten up your sway links. You know, people complain about the toolbox on the large frame 2 series. It ain't great, but I mean, one adjustable wrench can get done a lot of work. Speaking personally, if there's anything to complain about, it's the turnbuckles themselves and not being kind of telescoping while you drop a pin through the hole. I'd complain about that before the toolbox. Okay. Whoa. Oh, that. Tell you what, that's pretty easy. You know what'd be even easier? Quick hitch. Might be getting one of those now that you're only using the stump grinder for a little amount of time. The stump grinder, the swing style stump grinder, can't use a quick hitch, any of them. So that's why I never got one. It might be now that I'm getting into different work. Well, through the magic of the internet, I went ahead and secured up the what looks like to me just add a link on a chain link. Connected all the other ones. So first time, let's lift it up and see if it works. Definitely see the benefit of adding the hydraulic top link versus I don't know what the OEM one. You know what? I'm going to call it a mechanical top link versus a hydraulic top link. You know what? Let's drag it around the yard. See what we can do. So yeah, overall I guess I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, there's not much to a chain harrow, right? So I don't expect a whole lot. Just want a quick, simple tool to run over soil. We're going to till up a little bit, just for a quick down and dirty, quick smooth leveling. Hopefully get into some top dressing. Pretty easy to flip it around, depending on if you want aggressive or less aggressive. flip it upside down for the least aggressive, and it'd just be basically dragging a fence around, a chain link fence. Definitely can see the value add in a hydraulic top link though. That's gonna start shining. But we got so much more to get done, and tomorrow we have to start our first customer job, so we gotta keep going.